What is it?
Hey guys, if you're not with the team, if you're not playing or coaching, you need to be on that side of the field, please.
team defense is a straight line. Start looking at somebody's spot. Softball, softball, softball. Always align with this. There you go.
Hold the ball tight though. Like, achoo! On me!
That's good, Kylie.
Just go for that.
Next one! Next one! Go, 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 go! Try to stay inside. Try to stay inside. That's good. That's good.
Ladies,
That's good.
defense right now! Let's go, hustle! Every person needs to be below the knee. Every person needs to be below the knee.
Good job.
Like 3 on 5.
Try to stay.
Nini. TSK.
Hold on.
Yeah, go, go, go. Go, Bailey.
Advantage over. Advantage over.
Oh, yeah, good job. Watch win! Watch win!
This with each other, not like this. Enough space that we can.
Jessica!
Jessica!
Sorry. It's a scrum, girls. It's just knock on. Scrum down, white ball. Knock on from the great one. Yeah, that looks good there, girls. Crouch. Bind. Hey, it's a D21. Sit. 21. Let's come to two. Come to two. Heads up! There was a lot of opening over here.
Girls, hold the weight till that ball comes in, please. Crouch.
Look sooner on that. Ball down! Ball down!
Play on! Play on!
Back over.
Hands out. It's a rock, hands out of there, guys.
Back over, Ryan! advantage.
13, offside again. That's the second time.
Be patient. Be
Stand to
patient.
the right.
Be patient. Stay behind the
Penalty.
rock. Be patient. Over here. Over here. Over here. Hey, hey.
Right out.
Oh, good try. Good try, Christina. Nice job, Tina. Good job, Caitlin!
Coming on the side, play after ball, knock it off. Watch the defend and knock that stuff off. Coming on the side. I want to defend.
Come on.
Good job, Fazer!
Knock on 13 and come off your hands. Knock off Gray, knock on Gray. Scrum down, white ball.
Okay, let's clean it up. Come on.
Shoulder. Head up, Mike.
5 meters, guys. Crouch. Bind. Sit.
That's one.
Stay back, Scrummy. Stay back, Scrummy.
Yeah, Christina! Oh. Hey, that was great there, Christina! Don't sweat that!
Defensive timeout.
You got to run straight. Molly.
Yes, Tina! Who's there to rock, guys?
Hands out there. Hands out there.
There it is! Go, Heidi! Yeah, nice! Good job, Brittany!
No advantage.
That's okay, guys.
No advantage. You don't play that
You okay, Christina?
No advantage.
Looking great out there.
Jose. Scrum down, white ball. No advantage, sorry guys.
Crouch.
Ladies, hold on.
Bind.
Sit. Hold your weight, hold your weight.
Push, ladies, push. Yeah, Mom! Hurley! Get the crouch,
Go, Claire! Stick with that! That was those little passes.
You lost your foot in and you trapped the ball, so look for ball. That'll inside. No one kick there, you just want to put it in the field and land it on the feet.
Nice. Be on this spot first. Move up. You don't want to play, come out.
Bob, out! Get the two scratch now! Get ready to move up!
It's the same call, same call. Go for her.
Hit her!
Molly! Hit her!
Back to her.
Strip the ball!
Look over.
Good job, Claire. Way to stay strong in there. Is that on it? I think so. That was such pretty rugby, you guys! Oh, good try, Brett! What about not the Danish since you're a sub and maybe Data as well?
Guys, this is where the cold breeze comes in, so y'all can't complain about the heat anymore.
When you're in that situation, that's you call Bob right or left. I'm telling you, she's taking
Tape over it, lose it, whatever. Coach, you get a sub.
Ladies, we're kicking it up! Tape it, Bailey! Okay.
That's my best friend! Go best friend! That's my best friend! Tackle that sickle!
Come back. Yeah.
Don't read me like that! Water! Mom, you doing it, Travis? Water! Hey! Oh my God. Guys, let's communicate. Support. No, I ain't even support. I'm not bringing us with because I never did. I'm not letting it. Guys, don't forget support. Please communicate. Brian, we'll be at next time. I don't want your energy of That's you, man.
Go try.
Yeah, why don't you guys go now?
Hey, my turn, baby. It's my turn to go.
Mikey.
Hey, next week.
I know. It's like the first time she's had a break in like 6 years.
Hey, Maddie. See. Good support, guys. Good support.
No.
Yes, Anae! Nice! Spread out! Spread out! See, like the beautiful Good half effort, Caitlin! Just wait, yeah, you're fine. Yeah. You don't have to, yeah, you're fine. Like whoever says yes first. Nepper's off, so put Lupita to lock. Or Faza, decide which one, they can decide who wants to lock.
how am I supposed
You okay?
to play?
Just need a break.
Just tired.
Yeah. I know you haven't played for a few weeks.
I know. I can feel it.
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
Are your sockets dry?
My throat is though.
Oh yeah. For sure.
And that's what's killing me out there. It's like I have my mouth cut in. I have no saliva going down there. Oh man, I'm like, it's like sand.
I'm probably gonna buy a new one.
I got to do something.
I never really already on that.
Ooh. Okay.
Knock on from ground. White ball.
Spread out, go!
Are we missing a back?
Yeah, let's start again, guys. Ready? Crouch. Bind. Sit.
Keep it up!
Good.
Rocket! Spread out and top! Nice job! Look at Heidi!
You ready, Nepper?
There's a double lock there, guys. First
Yeah, you're on.
Start up again, that far side here.
When I pulled you on, they went to the forward.
There was an extra point.
Ball straight out the side.
I'm going to have some applications in for and then
Crouch. Bind. Sit.
okay, so for a name.
The game's like almost over. So you should just pour all of them.
Good space! Nice job, Caitlin! Good job, Christina!
Right now. Yeah.
Good job, Claire!
Dive under it! Yeah, good job, ladies!
Nice work, you guys!
And hey,
snow, you can run onto the field and do stuff. You don't have to run the hypotenuse, not the legs. I've never, not even a math thing, it's literally find the shortest distance and work the distance for yourself. You have no clue on how to make things. Take the angle. You're like, what? I'll run this way to get there. And I'm like, so that's what I'm watching.
It's all
right
about
now.
sacrificing your body.
Yep.
You have
Everybody's
to be willing
going
to
like this. And then, oh, shoot after my arm. And it's like, well, yeah, you're
That's what I'm saying. It's like, if you're running, I'm not just going to tuck you like this. I'm diving my whole body, exploding off of my back leg to get you. Oh, if they're about to score? Not just the
It's a
tackle.
want. It's literally, I cannot teach you guys want. I can teach you all the skills, but when I watch and when I see you guys out there, there's a lot of want that I can't teach you, and that's what I notice, and that's why I stay silent a lot of times, because if I get mad or fired up, it doesn't change your want. If it's you guys wanting it because I'm mad, I don't want that motivation. I want you guys to learn how to motivate because you want it that bad. You know, not because your coach got mad at you.
That diving, that's sacrificing your own body. It's all you gotta do it.
That's all saying, like, I just want.
Everyone knows how to dive on the ground.
Yep. Everybody knows how to come up on field. It's just whether you want to.
Huh?
Have I ever said only come up if you think you're going to get it? Have I ever said that? I say everybody up together. So even the wingers who are 20 passes away are still coming up, and they know there's nobody going to make the tackle. But if they don't come up, and these people do, this is all gas.
That's what you have to do. Just drive. Let's go, lady!
That is what it is. Like, have you ever been behind somebody and wanted to die?
She touched it.
Well, you don't know.
But if she touches it,
Sorry.
Boom.
Come down, ladies.
oh yeah, that's where I think myself.
I'm 100%
It's a knock-off. You know, you drop ball and look like it's a knock-off. You can't get rid of it. So just go noticeably backwards. Scrum down, knock on, white ball.
Come down, ladies, come down.
Okay, there you go. Good job. Thanks, guys.
Good job.
Crouch! Fine!
Becky, you almost ready too?
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm going to have you go on tour.
If you don't feel safe, doesn't feel right, just yell out. We see it. I'm no fail. Girls, let's come in. Crouch! Fine!
I believe in you, Douglas! Let's get this, Douglas! Good for you! Come on, Douglas! Ball down! Ball down! Ball down!
Yes, Tina! There we go. Good job!
Heidi, okay? That was super awkward looking. We were trying to figure out what's going on over there. You're like sitting on somebody.
She was just, I think she was lucky that someone was behind her, but she would have slammed.
Yeah, it was a sandwich. I didn't get hurt.
Okay, that's what it looked like. You got butt slammed and.
I felt like I've had dead butt cheeks before. Yeah, it hurts. Yeah.
Feel a tingle in my
We're good.
going on for Daisy, and then you're gonna go on for Tavian, but just put
I've been doing a lot better.
Forwards, go,
yeah.
That's what we're last time.
Yes, that's exactly.
defensive line out, y'all. I'm not even shipping out because they're on the line.
I'm glad you pulled though. I needed a second.
Yeah.
I like almost cried like 2 times. Just because like that one like so much.
That's okay. Hey, Christine, I like the effort. We'll get that poach.
She's super aggressive with that, and it's good. And she's like, it's a 50-50 call sometimes.
Yeah.
Get low, low, low! Yes, Tina! Look for that pass out!
Yeah, good try, you guys. Ready to get low, ladies?
I'm glad he's keeping a level head.
Yeah, no, I think this has been one of the best.
Yeah, he's being super calm. Ooh, way to get that out, Claire! Kick it out! Run straight!
Do you guys want to go on?
Yeah, quick. Tavian?
Yeah.
Jennifer! Tavian!
Yell it louder. Yeah, Daisy! Why don't anybody just listen to me when I call somebody's name and I do this, and then the team says something else and I listen to the team?
Baby, hustle right off the field, baby.
Daisy, you're off the field! Please listen to me, your coach! And stop on the team telling people different things when I'm yelling out there. It's not her fault. That's the thing. Like, she's listening to this. Did they tell you to stay back? The girls? Oh, okay. Yeah, no, you're coming out. Good job out there, baby. You're coming out.
Tell them they go to the try. They gotta make the try.
That's what I said to go to the right because they're all on the left.
No, it's for the try there for Jessica. They have to get out of the film.
No, everyone was holding it.
Yeah, because she turned twice or 3 times.
Hold on to him.
Okay? When you go to the play line, gotta push your way through, go down. Okay? Fall over here, you go down. Make your way down. Don't wait for somebody to invite you. You get your try. Okay? You're gonna have to.
5 minutes, y'all.
Try to move the ball to our wing. Our wings are not being changed.
That's what I said, but they're moving it back to the left.
Anae, are you okay?
Can you get some water next time? Maddie, scoop right.
Yeah, they were just refilling. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
Hey, make sure.
Scoop right. There. Right there, right there. Spread this way.
Yeah. Yeah, Clay. White, we play to the whistle.
Kylie,
Remember that.
you gotta pick up the ball.
Y'all go front right. Ladies, front open. Miles, please, speed it up. Front right. Speed it up, ladies, come on. Devin, watch it. Good work. Right with the ball, guys.
Crouch. Bind.
Yes.
Sit.
Balls out.
Inside. Good job, you guys.
Go swing. Feel free.
Right throw.
We got like 2 minutes left, so leave it all out here. That's right. 2 minutes, ladies, 2 minutes. Breathe in. Keep up the intensity, Val. Hurry up, 2 minutes.
One more in here, guys. One more.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, girls, let's get the numbers right.
Help. Help me. Help me. Come up.
Not straight. What do you want? Well, White, you want another throw or a scrum?
Lady, you know that means push hard. Come on, ladies.
You notice I was going line after I had all my phones on.
One straight. Let's support him, okay. Go now.
Go! Don't let go, Claire. Good job. Stay right there, guys. Now spread. Yeah, Christina. Last play, ladies. Alright, you guys, that's game, so let's start heading out there. Get ready for the field. Yeah,